So we just checked into Fontainebleau. First time staying here. What are we in? 31st floor?
No, 60.
61st. Oh, I'm confused. All right, so quick little room tour here. Quick half bath off there. Dual sinks. Massive, and I mean massive shower. That's the biggest shower I think I've ever seen. Look at this. Holy smokes. It's at least 10 foot. That's insane. All right, we'll come out here. Nice little setup here. Fancy, I tell you what. King size bed. Nice little bar set up here. And this seems to be the winner. Now, we've stayed many places, but we've never stayed here. Just look at this view. Insane. Definitely worth checking out if you haven't. All right, we're gonna go down and gamble. We'll come back.